The Philippine Seismic Network has recorded 75 volcanic earthquakes in Taal region Monday 5 a.m., the Philippine Volcanology and Seismology or PHIVOLCS issued on its bulletin. Of the 75 volcanic earthquakes, 32 of which have intensities ranging from intensity 2 to 5 in Tagaytay City, Cabuyao, Laguna, the towns of Talisay, Alitagtag, Lemery, and Bawan in Batangas. Taal volcano began having phreatic or steam-driven activity in different points of its main crater on Sunday 1 p.m. This progressed into magmatic eruption early Monday wherein weak lava was fountaining accompanied by thunder and flashes of lightning. The volcano remains at alert level 4, which means hazardous eruption may happen within hours to days. The agency shared that the Taal volcano was under alert level 1 since March 2019. Meanwhile, alert level 5 will only be raised if hazardous eruption is ongoing.
Ang alert level 5 is a statement of condition. Hindi mo siya prediction. No?
Actual na yun.
Apo. So, ibig sabihin lang po nun, is hazardous eruption is ongoing.
Volcano Monitoring and Eruption Prediction Division Chief Maria Antonia Bornas added that once Taal volcano exploded, it will look like an explosion of the atomic bomb wherein a cloud of ash will be seen. However, the energy of the atomic bomb explosion will not be the same with the strength of the possible earthquake.
Ito ang pinaka-closest na ihambing o ihantulan sa malakas na pagputok ng Taal ay isang atomic bomb explosion. Yung itsura niya. Hindi po yung yung energy, yung itsura. So meron pa pong matayog na eruption volume. Tapos meron po na ring na kumakalat mula sa base ng eruption volume.
Department of Science and Technology Secretary Fortunato de la Peña said that it will be good if a state of calamity would be declared.
Aasa rin ako kay Yusek Subidum dahil sila yung mga eksperto pero sa nakikita ko naman ay mas maganda.
For One Media Network, this is Denisa Fernandez.